Hello guys, let's make some money again today. As you can see guys, here on my wallet here I have 32,381,683 in Kenyan shillings, and that's equivalent to 250,000 USDT. And you know what guys, I made all this money trading crypto arbitrage on Trexbic.app. When I tell you Trexbic.app, I mean this. This is my Trexbic.com, is the same exchange that I'm using to trade crypto. Okay, and so guys, the first step that you need to trade, you need to buy USDT on your Binance. As you can see, this is my Binance account, which has 32 million. This is real money. When I refresh like that, you can see it's real money and nothing is fake. Okay, so how do you trade and make such kind of money from a balance of 1,000 or 100? The first step, you need to buy USDT. After you buy USDT, now you need to go to your Trexbic. You need to create an account on Trexbic. Okay, after trading on Trexbic, you come to deposit on crypto wallet, and then you deposit. All right, so you use a USDT, you put amount, let's say 200 or 500, and you get the deposit address. And then guys, here you come and deposit the amount that you want, all right, to trade with. As you can see, all these are my deposits and withdrawals. And so after you deposit that guys, the next step, you will have now your balance. You read like this. Once your balance reads like this guys, the next step you need to do is to click on the three dots. Now you need to trade. You'll go to P2P market. All right, on P2P market guys, you will find a vendor, and then you'll choose USDT because it's the coin that you have deposited, and you'll choose on sell. All right, so you can see a vendor like this one, Nia Asante. This vendor here is called Nia Asante. And also there is another one called Zara Okwonko. This one has a rate of 1.2. So I'm going to sell to Zara Okwonko, and I'll put amount 1,500. Okay, and you see, if I sell to 1,500 to Zara Okwonko guys, I'm going to get a return of 1,823. That's a profit of 300 guys. Okay, so you can see here it's saying that my wallet doesn't have enough funds. What I need to do is to swap the funds guys. Okay, so let me see if I put 1,000, maybe it's the limit. I'll put 1,000. Yes, so the limit for this vendor is between 0 to 1,000. So you can see 1,000, I'm going to get a profit of 215. So the next step, I'll now click on proceed with sell, and then I'll settle. And the payment method guys, I'll choose TRC20. All right, and on here guys, I'm going to choose to be paid on spot wallet, not external wallet. External wallet has a lot of fee. If it's external wallet, I could have put my USDT address here, but now I'm going to use the spot wallet. Then I will withdraw back to my Binance, and then guys, I'll click confirm. Now the trade is confirmed and now processing. And so guys, at this level, we need now to wait for the trade to finish in a moment guys. As you can see, I'm now going to get a profit of 215 after fees. So let's wait for the trade to finish. I can as well text the vendor here, hi. So you can see I'm now chatting with the vendor, telling them to release. You can see the vendor has already sent me a message. Just let me know when you are ready to proceed the trade. Okay, the trade is already open, no problem. So guys, here what I'm going to do, I'm still waiting here. You can see the time is 0 minutes, 1 minute 30 seconds, sorry. And I'm selling the USDT to Zara Okwonko at a price of 1.24. So let's wait for that time to finish, and then the trade will be completed. so guys, as you can see, the trade is now 25 seconds to go. It's now 25 seconds. Remember guys, always trade on my Trexbic.com, and the good thing about Trexbic guys, you can also trade using AI bots and everything. So I'm still waiting for the trade to complete guys. It should now complete. As you can see, it's now telling me that funds are ready and frozen your review. So at this level guys, you need to go on your account and check whether the balance has increased and the vendor has paid you. So I'll go back, and you can see now the balance has jumped to 1720. So now after that, I'll go back to financial history. Let me show you. I'll scroll here to financial history, and I'll click on this trade, the trade on P2P, and this is the trade guys. And now I'm going to release because the trade was paid. If it wasn't paid, I could have just disputed it. And so the next step now guys is now to withdraw back your funds to your wallet. And to withdraw guys, you need to have your address on Binance or any exchange that you're using. You need to click on these three dots here, and then you scroll to crypto wallet, and then you withdraw. And then guys, at this level now, you can see I still have another withdrawal confirming, so I can't make two withdrawals at the same time. So what I will do here, I will just wait for that first withdrawal to finish, and then I will come and withdraw. But to withdraw guys, you need to click on withdraw. You go to your Binance. Okay, once you go to your Binance, you click on assets, you click on receive USDT. You choose the USDT address. Okay, USDT, here it is, and the network is Tron. You copy your address like that, you go to your wallet, and then you paste the address here, and you withdraw your funds. All right, so let me wait for it to finish, and then I will withdraw later. But there's no need, because you can also watch my other videos. I've done many videos where I did withdrawals. If you're not sure and you're skeptical, you can go and watch them. And also guys, remember you can trade using AI bots or spot trading on Trexbic.app. Thank you so much for watching this video, and guys, trade on Trexbic. All right, you can see live. Thank you so much. Now it's time to me wait and see whether the withdrawal has arrived, so I can sell and go have some fun guys. Real money there.